All right, here we could use some rain, but really kind of spotty showers all day.
Right, and that hurricane, that system really taking a lot of the energy here for us. That's why we haven't seen a lot of rain.
Oh, interesting.
However, we still have this disturbance over us. It's trying to squeeze out some of it. Do want to just give you a quick update here on post-tropical cyclone Lee, down to 65-mile-per-hour winds, but still making its way over Canada. And we are also watching the tropics because now we still have tropical storm Nigel. That is the next one, but right now it is really forecasted to stay in the Atlantic and take more of a northerly turn, so hopefully no impacts at all on the eastern seaboard. This is the track of Nigel. It will go a little bit farther west. It'll gain some strength, becoming likely a hurricane 2 or 3 hurricane, and then it will start to take that turn. So we'll continue to monitor that for you. But here at home, we do have some light rain on radar, and putting this in motion, you can see this clockwise flow with this because we have this upper level low that's spinning over central Indiana. It's squeezing out some of that moisture. Again, we don't have a lot of moisture to work with, but it is bringing some much needed rain into some locations. We have some outflow boundaries here, so hopefully that will trigger some more showers here and there, and we're still going to keep a chance of rain throughout the evening tonight. 70 degrees right now in Indianapolis. It's 73 in Columbus, 67 in Kokomo, and yes, we need the rain. So far, since June the 1st, we've had just over 10.5 inches of rain in Indianapolis, and the normal is over 14 inches. That puts us in a deficit of almost 4 inches since June 1. So we need the rain. After tonight, though, that will be the end of our chances for quite the stretch. So here's a look at future track. As we go through the evening hours, we'll keep a few of those spotty showers. Best chance will be in east central Indiana as that low pressure system starts to move on out. 54 degrees right now in Indianapolis. It's 50 in Kokomo, 52. I should say the lows will be in the low 50s. And then we have this warm air that's going to start pushing in from our west. That's going to allow this to retreat, this cooler air mass. And by Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we're going to see some pretty warm temperatures for this time of year. Right now, though, we have dry air in place at the surface for tomorrow. We're going to see those dew points in the low 40s. So the winds will be out of the north at the surface, keeping the surface dry. And we'll see temperatures quickly rising into the low 70s tomorrow afternoon. So still a bit below average for Monday. As we go into Tuesday, we'll get a little closer back into the mid 70s. And by Wednesday, we'll really see the bulk of that warm air pushing in. Temperatures could climb into the mid 80s by Wednesday afternoon. We'll keep monitoring it for you. But right now, looking like a mainly dry stretch. We may bring in a couple of chances here and there. But for the most part, dry for tomorrow. 73 the high, 76 degrees the high on Tuesday. Then we get back into the 80+ degree temperatures. Keep in mind the afternoon high should be around 78 degrees for this week in September. 83 for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. And right now we're keeping next weekend dry, and by Sunday breezy and slightly cooler, but really beautiful autumn weather, Jenny.
Yeah, looks great. All right, Kelly, thanks so much.